Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Techademy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Facebook application on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now you can use the Microsoft App Store to directly search for the Facebook app. Just tap on your search box and then type in Microsoft Store. Once you find the Microsoft Store application, tap on the Open button and this will open up the Microsoft Store app on your PC. Once the application is opened up, you can once again tap on the search box to search for Facebook. Once you find the Facebook application, go ahead and tap on it, and now you will see the Get button. Tap on this button and now this will begin the download and installation of the Facebook application on your PC. Just wait for a while until the download is completed, and once it is done, you will be able to find the Open button. Once you see the Open button, you can tap on it to open up your Facebook application. And now you have various different options, including the option to create a desktop shortcut. And once the application is opened up, you can continue with logging in or creating your new account to start using Facebook from the application right away on your PC. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Facebook application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.